the whole trip if I really wanted to.
Sure. What's the speed limit here?
It would be 80, I believe.
Okay.
Because it's out of town.
Yeah. A lot of flowers out here, eh?
Oh, yeah, they do.
I'm not gunning.
No, we're not Corey.
No. Still remember, I was once driving with him, and we went, just went Lewis stop sign in, I think it was south of Wembley or something like that. I was quite surprised, but he said, "Oh no, that's okay, because they don't check here anyway." It's like, it's like, you never know the one day they're gonna.
He's gonna learn the hard way then. There's one time he's gonna blow a stop sign. There's gonna be a cop sitting right there.
Oh yeah.
Undercover.
Most definitely. I mean, it's one of those things. I know it's gonna happen sooner or later with him.
So beautiful out here.
Oh, it is.
Very green.
Very green, very colorful.
Going right past my parents' house.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's where they live. We've been there.
I remember, I think they were just before they went through their renos, or they were going through renos or something like that.
Might have been before.
Yeah. Selfie stick?
Yep.
Some of those I've seen them extend out quite a bit.
Yeah, this one does. I usually just keep it like this for videos though.
Oh, fair enough, yeah. Turn right?
On the road. Yeah, right up this road.
All right, 221. Okay.
Yeah. This is that steep one.
Oh, yes.
16% grade.
16% grade. So let go of the brakes.
Just coast.
Just coast. Now it's like sliding.
Right?
Yeah. turn up here?
Yep.
Okay.
Left turn at the stop sign. See him in the distance.
Yeah. Doesn't look like they're moving.
What's that?
Doesn't look like they're moving today.
Yeah, it looks like they're powered off or something.
Yeah, I wonder if they're going through like a maintenance thing or something. Either that or there's no wind. It's always a
I
possibility.
can see some of them moving.
Oh, yeah.
Just not as clear today as other days.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, other days I visited, it's quite clear.
Yeah.
But I don't know how dry it's been here, but I know we definitely need the rain.
It's been dry here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to turn.
Turn here?
Yep, up
Okay.
here.
That's right, so we're not going to the rec area.
Supposed to get a good amount of rain on Sunday, Monday, I think.
Well, that's good.
These here.
Yeah.
Well, Sunday they say 40%.
Well, that's good.
I hope it changes. We need a good rain.
Yeah, definitely. I'd say the same in Grand Prairie. It's like, I mean, so I know there's like a couple fires, I think, what?
In June?
Yeah, I think there's I think everything's under control. I know there was one, I know it was sort of, I think on the way from Grand Prairie, I once took to Tumbler Ridge. I think it's, fairly close to that road, but I think that's, I don't know if that's under control now, but I know.
Oh, the Kiskatna River one.
Not the Kiskatna River one. That's close. So I think that's, I think I probably, what I found interesting is I know I was passing fairly close to where the Kiskatna fire is, but I didn't see smoke. But I mean, no visible smoke or anything like that. So
that one must be under control then.
Yeah, well, I remember for a time it was over the border. I know that there was Alberta Resources involved, but I think you're right. Now it's under. I think it's under the BC. I think it's like
just BC wildfire.
Just BC wildfire.
Well, it hasn't been that smoky since those few days.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, those.
Yeah, in June.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're very lucky about that. But I know there are other fires elsewhere in Alberta. I know, like Red Earth Creek. I think up near high level, there's fire. There's fires.
On the dirt road now.
Dirt road. Country roads.
Yeah. At least the rain doesn't make it as dusty.
Oh, exactly. Yeah. And it's not so rainy. It's muddy.
Yeah, it's a nice, just a light spinning rain just puts a nice little moist coat on it.
Yeah.
When it's super dry, there's always that trail of dust behind you.
Oh, yes, yes. and the car always gets the car kind of gets dirty.
Yeah. Mom's like, where'd you go? Windmills. Green in here though.
Oh yes.
Despite how dry it's been.
Yeah, yeah, it definitely looks very, very nice and green in here. Yeah, as I know, Grand Prairie also they're concerned because the wildfire danger I know is quite high.
I don't know where we're at. I think we're at high too.
Yeah, I think I saw what was a high or very high because I think just before I went to Jasper, I looked. It was like I know we were near the border between was it very high and extreme. But I don't know where we are now. But I mean, I think it depends on where the rains come. Imagine it would depend on, how much rainfall there's been or how recently, but I mean, it's like...
Yeah.
Yeah. But I have heard, I think Grand Prairie is supposed to be on the upper edge of a significant rainfall in central and southern Alberta.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yeah, absolutely. Hopefully we get a decent amount of that, but I heard it's supposed to be like a significant amount of rain, I think down near Calgary and whatnot. So hopefully it doesn't flood there, but I mean, it's, of course I'd be then tempted to say, send some of it north. We definitely need it here.
Yeah, up here too.
Yeah, exactly. So I think Grand Prairie is also getting the rain that's coming here, so...
Yeah.
Yeah, which is always good.
There's the ski trails.
Those are shut down. That's interesting.
They're shut down?
I saw there was a gate up there.
Oh yeah, there's that gate, and then there's a side thing that
Oh.
people go in to walk them. They don't get as much use in the summer as they do in the winter.
Oh, for cross country, yeah.
Yeah. I think we walked them one time.
Yeah, we did. Perhaps we can on the way down.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
by side.
Yeah. Polaris.
Yeah.
Those looks like a golf cart.
They had those running around all over the place at the fall fair,
Oh yes.
getting people from one point to the other.
They have golf carts.
Well, those
side by sides.
those side by sides.
Yeah.
Oh, Raider Lake is right up here.
Radar Lake?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is that a hike?
That's like a little lake thing.
Oh, a little lake thing, okay.
Yeah. Cattle gate.
Oh. Interesting is if the road passes right by the cattle gate. Must mean we're getting close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I noticed a couple of them before that turn off.
So I seem to remember a couple cow gates as you get closer to the site. Getting a little bit of rain out here.
Oh, yeah, not a whole lot.
No, definitely just noticing definitely noticing it on the road.
There's not like puddles or anything.
That's true, yeah.
Birds.
Yeah. Wildlife on this road, eh?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Was it up here? Yeah, I think we turned up. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we turned up here.
Oh, we turn here. Okay, yes, that's right.
Yep, around the wind.
Yeah, we're out going in.
must be doing some maintenance.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Is if it's down, I feel like more than anything, it's probably down for maintenance. I know I saw another truck at the first one.
Oh, yeah, that's what it was. That one, I think.
Yeah.
The path to the rim rocks.
Yeah. Oh, the other one.
Yeah, it was just past here.
Oh, just past here? So I keep going, or the other one?
It was back.
Oh, okay.
Further back. So we can turn around at one of these other ones.
All right. Nice thing about an up busy road is the opportunity to be able to do this nice U-turn.
Yep.
Of mud.
Is it muddy?
Yeah.
There's some grass on that side.
That's the front. Oh. Yeah, you definitely don't want to go up there. Yeah.
All right, once we get past that, we're good.
Exactly. Oh, yeah.
And look at that view.
View. Cloud cover. I know times I've been here, it's not
Wow.
really bad, but yeah. Oh, this is the view. It's just starting to rain.